Good morning, class 7. Welcome back to the class. So today we are about to start new chapter, simple equations. Chapter number 4, simple equations. It's a part of algebra. So if we talk about numbers or if we talk about quantities, we have two types of quantities: constant quantities and variable quantities. Constant quantities matlab their value is fixed. Their value cannot change. For example, any number, take any number, 2, -5, 4 by 5, -3 by 8. All these are numbers. Their values are fixed. 2 always remains 2, no matter where you are or in which context it is used, its value always remains the same. Such quantities are called constant quantities. Variable quantities. See, the word variable forms by using vary plus able. A number which has the ability to vary its magnitude, its value. ऐसी quantities जिनमें अपने magnitude को change करने की काबिलियत होती है. So they do not have fixed value. No fixed value. Their value changes according to the situation. It depends upon the situation where we have that variable. According to that situation, that variable will get its value. So they don't have a fixed value. In different problems, in different situations, a variable can have, one single variable can have different values in different circumstances, in different situations, in different problems. Okay? So an equation is framed. What is an equation? Now, if I have to define an equation is simple. Condition applied on a variable. Equation means condition applied in a variable using equality. इक्वालिटी जरूर होनी चाहिए तभी इक्वेशन बनेगा. अगर इक्वालिटी नहीं होगी तो सिर्फ कंडीशन रह जाएगा, इक्वेशन नहीं बनेगा. राइट? जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल, लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. लेट्स फ्रेम सम इक्वेशंस फ्रॉम डिफरेंट सिचुएशंस, डिफरेंट कंडीशंस. एंड वेरिएबल्स भी आपके पास 1, 2, 3 कितने भी वेरिएबल हो सकते हैं आपके पास. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट ए रेक्टेंगल, और लेट्स से विल सिंपली टॉक कि देयर इज अ नंबर, twice of that number when added to 7 it becomes 19. So a number, I don't know what it is, so I consider it as x. I don't know what is the value of x. Okay, twice of that number, twice of x added to 7 becomes 19. So twice of the number, 2 times this number, 2 into x added means plus to 7 becomes, means it equalizes with what? 19. 2 into x is 2x plus 7 equal to 19. This is an equation. This is an equation for variable x. This is an equation for variable x. This is the condition that is applicable on this variable x using an equality sign. Therefore, this becomes an equation. Okay? So, we can find the value of this equation. Simple. To find the value of an equation, what you have to do is take all the terms of the variable to one side of the equality and all the constant quantities on the other side of equality. सारे variables के term इक्वल टू के साइन के एक तरफ होने चाहिए और सारे कांस्टेंट्स दूसरी तरफ होने चाहिए. तो यहां क्या होगा? लेफ्ट साइड में 2x इज इक्वल टू, राइट साइड में क्या है? 19. नाउ दिस 7 कम्स टू द अदर साइड ऑफ इक्वालिटी. whenever a constant quantity moves from one side of equal to or equality to other side, its operation changes. उसका ऑपरेशन चेंज हो जाएगा, उसका ऑपरेशन ऑपोजिट हो जाएगा. अगर ये प्लस का 7 है, इक्वल टू के दूसरी तरफ आके ये माइनस का 7 हो जाएगा. अगर ये माइनस का 7 होता, इक्वल टू के दूसरी तरफ आके ये प्लस का 7 हो जाता. Now 2x is equal to 19 minus 7 is how much? 12. I want the value of x. तो x के अलावा जो भी है वो सब अपने को दूसरी तरफ शिफ्ट करना है. Now x is equal to 12. This 2 is being multiplied by x here. ये 2 क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे x के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है. अब ये इक्वल टू के दूसरी तरफ आएगा तो एज ही नो इसका ऑपरेशन चेंज हो जाएगा, ऑपोजिट हो जाएगा. तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन किस में चेंज हो जाएगा? डिवीजन में. So the 2 which is being multiplied here moves to the other side and goes in the division part. 12 divided by 2, or you can simply write as 12 upon 2. 12 divided by 2. So x is equal to 6. वेरिएबल की वैल्यू क्या आई? x की वैल्यू 6. इसको क्रॉस चेक कर लो कि आपका आंसर करेक्ट है क्या. Twice of x, x की वैल्यू क्या है? 6. 6 का ट्वाइस, 6 का डबल कितना? 12. When added to 7, it is added to 7. 12 plus 7 how much? 19. It becomes 19. So your answer is correct. You can cross check your solution by the condition that is given in the question. तो x की वैल्यू कितनी आई? 6. एक और इक्वेशन देखते हैं. If 5 is subtracted from half of a number, it becomes 4. 5 is subtracted from half of a number, it becomes 4. Right, children? So let the number is x. Let the number is x. Half of the number means x is divided by 2. Half of the number x is divided by 2. Now we are subtracting 5 from this. So minus 5 becomes what? Is equal to 4. Right? ठीक है, इक्वेशन बन गया. Half of a number. From the half of a number we are subtracting 5. 5 is subtracted from half of a number. It becomes 4. According to the statement, देखो ये लैंग्वेज है, ये स्टेटमेंट है इंग्लिश, इसको हमने मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म में चेंज कर दिया. सिंपल, दैट इज इक्वेशन. नाउ और वेरिएबल एक तरफ, सारे नंबर्स एक तरफ. x upon 2 equal to, we already have 4 here. Now माइनस का 5 इक्वल टू के दूसरी तरफ जाएगा, क्या बनेगा? प्लस 5. Now x upon 2 equal to 4 plus 5 is 9. Right? I want x. तो x यहां रहेगा. Now this 2, it is in the division side of x. ये x में डिवाइड हो रहा है. When it goes to the other side, it goes in the multiplication part. Okay? Operation change हो जाएगा. x divided by 2 equal to 9. So when this 2 moves to the other side, it goes in the multiplication side. Operation बदल गया. 9 into 2. तो x is equal to how much? 18. The number is 18. Check कर लो. Half of the number. 18 का half कितना? 9. Subtract 5 from it. 9 minus 5. How much? 4. Got it, children? So this is what an equation is all about. Go through the content given in NCERT.